Hello my dear friends, welcome to my new video. This is not a comedy video, but this is a science project video. So, as you given support to my last video, there are almost 5 lakh views on my first winner of Taluka level science exhibition. So, thank you all my fans and all my supporters to give me this much support. So, on your demand, today I have made this project again on save energy with some modifications. So, let's start about the project. As we know that there are many day-to-day problems in our country that are of light, of our energy. As we know that in small villages, the energy or the light is not for 5 to 10 days. Why? Because there is not any source of energy, making of energy. Like as near our Parali Vajna, there is thermal power station. So what is this thermal power station? In this thermal power station, they are also making energy. But how? By fire, by air pollution, by burning the coal. As we know that coal is a fuel, like as petrol, diesel, kerosene. And it will be finished at one day. But we have an idea that are renewable or the natural sources of energy. As we know that wind, light or water are the things which are in all places or which are in everywhere in the world, in the atmosphere. So, as we know that energy neither be destroyed nor can it be created, but it can be converted from one form to another form. Example, the photo energy can be converted into the electrical energy. We know this all things. We know that. So as we know that this law of energy or this law of conservation of energy is called in science the law of conservation of energy. So let's start with this project. What we have made here. As we know that the light, as I said, is the thing which is everywhere in all the atmosphere. So this is the object called solar panel. As we know that sun is the largest source of light and which gives us the largest source of light and which comes on the earth. And we can conserve that or we can use that to make the energy. So when the sun rays comes on the solar panel, some process happens in the solar panel and the battery is charged because of this solar panel. So the next thing or next we have made, that is the windmill. Windmill, as I know that or as we know that wind is a thing which is all everywhere. Now there is wind. In night there is wind. In day there is wind. Everywhere there is wind, every time there is wind. So we have made this device called windmill. As we know that in some areas, where we go to Pune, Mumbai, Aurangabad, this is implemented or this is used. But in more regions or in the regions, some regions it is not used. So in the interior parts of the India or in the world, it is not used. So we have made this to implement in this interior area also. So now I will start this windmill. So as I have started this windmill, you can see the light in the house is lightning. So when I am starting this windmill, as you can see that the light in this house is automatically lightning. So we have invented or created a new technique to conserve the energy. So what is that new technique? You would be wondering. So this is the new technique of photoresistor or the LDR sensors. How does it work? So these are the vehicles. They go in day. They don't need light because there is the sunlight, and this automatically the solar plate is converting the sunlight with the photo energy into the electrical energy. but in night it doesn't work. Now see what happens when I pass this vehicle on the road. So I have used some sensors called LDR sensors, which are the light detecting sensors. Means when there is no light on these sensors or the shadow, then the street bulbs or the light generates. So in night many vehicles pass from the road, but sometimes there are no vehicles on the road, then also the street lamps are lightning. But we have invented a technique in which when the vehicle is passing on this LDR sensor, automatically shadow is created, and because of this shadow the street bulb or the street light is lightning, and as it goes the light lights, and when it is needed then only it is lighting, and when there is no vehicle or no shadow it is not lightning. That means it is a way to save our energy. So if you want to make this project in your science exhibition, what you have to use? First, cardboard. Second, solar plate. Third, battery. Fourth, wires. Fifth, the cardboard as we taken. We need many cardboards. Next, fan. One motor. This wire. A chargeable battery. Then we need black paper, sellotape, fake trees, paper flowers, this yellow paper, and we will do some decorations on it. Nextly, I have used these LDR sensors to light the bulbs. This is the LED. These are some straws. This is sellotape. See here how it works. When the shadow is coming, then the street bulbs are lighting. How this magic happened? We connected this LDR to the resistor and we given this connection to the wires, and the wires are connected to the battery. So the concept or the conclusion of making this project is to aware the people all over the world, all over the India, to how to conserve energy, how to save energy. At last, I would like to say, if you will save energy or you will save nature, nature will save you, energy will save you. Thank you.